At Vertigo Technologies, we design and manufacture desktop manufacturing machines. Our current product is a desktop CNC router. The long-term goal for us is to have a whole suite of affordable desktop manufacturing tools that allow others to turn their ideas into finished products at an affordable price. We're based on the west coast of New Zealand. We have 10 staff and we've only been operating for about 2 years. If one of our assemblers ever notices a problem during production, they fill out a change request form. They take that into the office, that change gets updated in the model, and within an hour we have a new part in production. Having that CAD and CAM inside one program makes pushing and pulling and being able to make cam adjustments and speeds and feeds adjustments and adjust chamfer offsets and add contours really easy. That's where the seamless integration between the post-processor and our HAAS controller works great. Being able to push files straight to the machine and have the datasets come up on the screen on the HAAS. One of the things I love about using Autodesk software is the community. The forums are great, the YouTube videos are amazing, and being able to share ideas in the various Facebook and social media groups is awesome. I can't think of another software platform that's out there that has that sort of community in behind it. One of the reasons we purchased a HAAS was because we learnt straight away how easy it was going to be able to integrate Autodesk with the machine. I've heard horror stories about people buying other machines and not being able to post cam out or having to get custom post processors made for their machines. But with HAAS, it was all there. With Autodesk, it was all there, it worked. And I didn't have to worry about that stuff. We've been pushing Fusion 360 massively to all of our customers who use our product. It's easy for them to get into. Most of our customers are hobbyists, educators or small businesses that perhaps don't have any software or 3D design experience, and this is a foot in the door for a lot of them. Fusion 360 is going to help them take their businesses to the next level.